Hi, Lakin. Let's see your face. What's on your face? Do you have chalk on your face?
No.
Were you coloring? Were you coloring? What's that? What's that?
Bubble.
That's right,
I
bubbles.
know. The
Oh,
bubble.
it's okay if they go in the house. Hey, can you say hi, Nina? Say hi, Nina. Say it. Where are you going? Look, see bubbles. Oh, and that's Lakin's playhouse. Oops, wrong way. There it is. Oh. Yay! In her car, in her chair, in her chalk. And there's Lakin. Go back so I can get your face.
No.
There you are. There you are. Lakin, blow a kiss. Can you blow a kiss? Oh. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Okay, say goodbye.
Bye.
And blow kisses now. You want to raise the roof? Can you raise the roof? Higher, higher. You can do it. Okay, say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. Hey, how old are you?
2.
Very good. Okay, say goodbye.